Yo guys, from MonsterTube and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get all the skins and hats in Among Us for free. Please leave a like for some good luck and let's get straight to the video. First of all, you need to go to the date and time, right click on it, adjust date/time. Then unpress this one, set time automatically. You want to go to change, set it to October 29, 2020. Then click change. Now you want to minimize here and start up Among Us. So when it starts up, you want to go to an online game, in public game, find the game and just load the game up. Then if you load it into a game, just leave straight up. So now that you have left the public game, you want to go to a local game, create a game. Now that you have loaded up in this local game, go to customize, go to hat, and you have all the Halloween hats for free. So as you guys see, my whole inventory is full with Halloween hats and we now go to the Christmas skins. For this you want to just close your game. So now you go back to your date and time. You want to press set time automatically on. Just wait a couple seconds. Then turn it off again. And then you want to change the time. And you will set this to December 24, 2018. Now go back into an online game. Find the game. Load a new game. As soon as you have loaded into the game, just leave the game. Then go back, go to a local game, create a new game, go to the little computer thing, customize. You will now have all the Christmas hats in your inventory. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you could subscribe to my channel, you'll be as a shout out in my next video.